Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to convert an object to a JSON string. So when we have a requirement like I want to convert the object to the JSON string, how we are going to do that? We are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like it. So here we are going to use the JSON.stringify to convert an object to a JSON string, right? So here you can see that JSON.stringify will help you to convert an object to JSON string. If I go and just console.log, let me comment all of this stuff. So let's go and check this one. So here we go. You can see that now it is converting to the JSON string, right? So next one is this is the first one. This objective is like convert. It will give you that one. If I want to return only the specified things like only name, age, or city or age, so you can do one more thing, that you can pass the array of that one which you want, that one that's one name or the age. If I go and just comment this one console.log json.string, what I will get only name, age, not the city. Let me remove this one or comment this one. Okay, so commenting this one, now reload this one. Now you can see that I will get only name and the age, right? If you pass the in the array what the exact parameters you want, right? The next part, if I go and just comment this one, the next part is function. Okay, so here we are just manipulating the JSON.stringify of my object. Here you can pass the function, right? Key and the value. If the key is city, so I return undefined, right? It will exclude the city property from the JSON string and return the rest of the values. Let's have a look on that. So you can see that city is omitted and the name and the age is printed. So you can pass the array, you can pass the object, and you can simply stringify the JSON. So it depends on to you, right? You can do the stuff with the JSON.stringify with like this. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.